Hello my students in 7th grade, how are you today? Inshallah, in this video we will start our new unit, unit 6, and this is the introduction of this unit. The title of our unit is What a Character. What a character. This is here an exclamation sentence, and it starts with what. What here is not a question word, it's an exclamation word. We use it for exclamation. Here you can see the exclamation mark. What a character means ما هذه الشخصية. وهنا ما هذه الشخصية ليست سؤال كما قلنا. It's an exclamation اللي هو تعجب. ما هذه الشخصية. So character means شخصية, or in English a person in a story, a play, or in a film, etc. Here we have a picture, or we have pictures of some characters in some stories or films we all know. Can you mention their names? Here on the left we have Spider-Man, Simpson family, Superman, Mickey Mouse, and Darth Vader. Which one of these characters do you like the most? And which one of them do you hate the most? Which one of them do you think is evil? Which one is fun? Which one is mean? And which one is kind? Think about these questions, because today we will start our unit with a lesson about a story, or its type of text is story. And in story, the most important element, or one of the most important elements, is the character. Now let's see together what we will have in our story. Stories are usually written in past tenses. A descriptive story uses carefully chosen words to create an impression of the characters. Authors have several ways of presenting a character. Here are two: how the person looks and how the person behaves. Stories are fiction. What does fiction mean? What does that tell you about the characters? Fiction, first of all, means a story that is not true. It's a made-up story. So, the characters in this story are also made up. They are not real character. يعني الفيكشن هي قصة خيالية، قصة ليست حقيقية، وبالتالي الكاركترز اللي بيكونوا فيها بيكونوا برضو خياليين وغير حقيقيين. Our story will be a descriptive story, يعني it describes persons or places. Descriptive means وصفية. Descriptive story قصة وصفية. Here we will describe a person and his house and workshop. The person here is called Mr. Duffy. We will describe him. And there will be many adjectives, of course, as you know, when we describe things or persons, we describe them the most with adjectives. The most important things in describing a person are how the person looks and how the person behaves. How the person looks يعني the look of the person، نوصف الشكل تبعه. And the أو how the person behaves, which is the behavior of the person، اللي هو تصرفات وأفعال هذا الشخص. We will have these new vocabulary in our story and many other vocabularies. Let's read them together and I will tell you their meanings next. Waft, screwdriver, scrutinize, expression, forehead, eyebrow, chin, and concentration. Now here are the vocabulary of our new unit. Please memorize them by heart because if you don't memorize them, you will not understand the whole idea of the lesson. Let's now learn their pronunciation and their meanings and definitions. The first one is concentration, and it's a noun. Its meaning in English is thinking hard without stopping, and in Arabic it means تركيز. The second one, expression. Its part of speech is noun. The look on a person's face that shows how they are feeling. تعبير الوجه. Eyebrow, noun. The line of hairs above your eye. الحاجب. Forehead, noun. The front of the top part of the head. جبهة أو جبين. Screwdriver, noun. A tool used for turning screws. مفك البراغي. Scrutinize, verb. To look at something very carefully. يدقق أو يمعن النظر. Waft, a verb, and it means to float in the air without direction. ينبعث أو ينطلق. We use it for smells or like these things. Passageway, it's a noun. ممر. Fascinated, adjective. مفتون. Glimpse, noun. نظرة خاطفة أو لمحة. Bowls, noun. أوعية. Simmering, verb. يغلي. Courtyard, noun. فناء أو ساحة الدار. Workbench, noun. منضدة أو طاولة العمل. Leaning, verb. يتكئ أو يركي. Chisels, noun. أزاميل أو أدوات النحت. Pliers, noun. كماشات أو زراديات. Varying, adjective. متفاوتة أو مختلفة. Different. Neat, adjective. It means tidy. منظم، مرتب أو أنيق. Racks, noun. رفوف أو مساند or shelves in English. Alongside, preposition. جنبا إلى جنب. Varnish, noun. ورنيش أو طلاء. Fine, adjective. ناعمة. Delicate, adjective. رقيقة. Screws, noun. براغي. Nails, noun. مسامير. Frowning, adjective. عابس. Satisfaction, noun. رضا. Striking, adjective. لافت للنظر. Peered, verb. حدقة. Rims, noun. حواف. Chin, noun. ذقن. Sharp-eyed, adjective. حاد العينين أو ثاقب البصر. Thoughtful, adjective. وقور أو عميق التفكير. Apron, noun. مريول. Penknife, noun. سكين لبري الأقلام. Against, preposition. مقابل. Beckoned, verb. دعا أو نادى. Intricately, adverb. بشكل معقد. Benches, noun. مقاعد. Winking, verb. يغمز. And here is a picture of some of the tools we have mentioned in the table. Here is the chisel, أداة الحف. We have here a nail. Here is the nail. We have saw. It's mentioned in our lesson, but it's not in the table. Screwdriver. Screw. Hammer. It's also mentioned in our lesson, but I didn't mention it with the vocabulary, with the new vocabulary. We have pliers, اللي هي الزرادية, and some other tools in the workshop.